You too. What's up with y'all, man? Staxks Squad. How y'all doing? Hey, man, make sure if you haven't, though, like and comment and subscribe on the last couple of videos we've been dropping. We've been dropping bangers, shit that you want to go see and watch. But, oh shit, I was not supposed to get this much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. But shit, we about to go on a little POV drive. I ain't give y'all a little POV drive in a minute and shit like that. I just got the car back, as y'all can see. Had to fix up some codes for sensors and stuff like that. But we about to go and give y'all a little POV drive, even though it's a little dirty and shit like that. And yeah, in the tune motherfucking shit. And yeah, we about to go show y'all. Appreciate it, gang. Yeah. I appreciate it. That's love, though. That's love. That's love. You feel me? I'm gonna give him some little baby rads before he bang out. That's just for him. You know, he was being a real ass nigga. So, you feel me? Have to do that for him. But, yeah, man. How y'all doing, man? I ain't give y'all a little POV in a little minute on this motor. The last time I gave y'all a little POV was on my last motor, which, if you know, y'all know, it blew up. It is what it is. That happened back in February, man. Make sure you go back and watch those videos. That was a crazy time in my life, but shit. We've come past that a little bit, and now we is good to go. Even though this shit still do give me some problems, hey man, it is what it is. Not much we can really do. It's a high performance car. Shit like this gonna happen. But hopefully I can get out of this car by like next I'd say like around March. Around the next season, where the car season starts up, hopefully before spring break, I can get a new car. I've been, you know, I've been always on the ZL1 train. Like I've always said, I wanted to get like a supercharged car. The ZL1s are the cheapest, and you know, it just don't come with the bullshit that having a cat or something comes with. So I really like that. But like the ZL1, the only thing that's like made me scared from that is like I've already experienced the Camaro shit. Like the inside of this shit and the ZL1, it's all the same shit, you know? It's all the same shit. Ain't shit different about it, you feel me? So I just want to experience something new, which I don't know if you can blame me. But the ZL1 is still on the list of cars to get. I've really been on the G82, the M4 lately. If I was to get one, it wouldn't be like the ones that people really, you know, glamorize about, the TikTok kids, carbon buckets, X-Drive. I probably wouldn't be able to afford that spec, but I can get like I can definitely get like a base M4 rear wheel drive with the comfort seats. So I'll probably end up doing that. I just really like the M4s, man. It's such a nice looking drive. What the fuck? Niggas can't drive out here. But yeah, it's just the price of it, man. They look expensive. But I've always wanted to go on my little foreign shit before I hopped on the supercharged shit. The whole thing was supposed to be, I'm gonna go get my supercharged car, then I'm gonna go get, you feel me, something foreign. That was like the whole goal. But I don't know, I might skip over the supercharged for now, go straight to a little BMW, and then see how that shit drives. Cause people be saying it drives like butter, you can't beat German engineering. And I will say the one thing about driving an American muscle car is like, it's not really a smooth ass drive. It's not like, you feel me, like you driving over clouds and shit like that. But that could be due to a lot of things. Like I have different suspension in here. The springs on here are stiff springs. So it's not really comfortable driving it in a pothole infested city. You feel me? But we gonna see. This car about to damn near. You hear that shit? Fuck this nigga, bro. I ain't gonna front, I ain't even see that nigga. Bro, what the? It is wet outside. I mean, I don't think the ground is wet just yet, but it is like sprinkling and shit like that. So over here ripping on this car. Just got this shit back today. You feel me? But the tune, I'm tuned through Ego Performance. It's definitely a fun tune. I daily drive this car, so like it's just like a fun tune to have on your car for like a daily driver. It's cool to have. I don't really beat on this car. You feel me? I do have my fun with it, but you know what I'm saying, I don't beat on it every single day. I don't want to do that to my shit. So, you know, definitely go tune in with that shit if you just want to have like a nice fun tune for like daily casual driving, not no super like a big performance type tune, like a Prey performance or a GPI. Those are more like performance stuff. Even though I do have performance stuff on here, I do have obviously intake headers. I was supposed to put this shit on E, but I'm probably not gonna keep the car. Oh shit, my dumb ass. Why the fuck? I took the completely wrong way, boy. Damn, I'm an idiot. Well, I just mean more driving for y'all. But yeah, I definitely would recommend Eagle. Nice little tune company. I know like the Mopars have like underground and stuff like that, which you know, props to them, they cool. I'm not really a big fan of underground, even though they don't even make none for the Maros. They a Mopar. They got shit for the new vets, but not no Maros. That shit weird as fuck if you ask me. But hey, what the fuck do I know? Yeah, I took the completely wrong exit. I'm over here paying attention to y'all. I'm not even paying attention to the road. But as y'all can see, like I'm in Columbus. That's where I stay at. But like, bro, it's like, I don't know if y'all see like this too, but it's like, bro, it's construction every motherfucking where. It's like, bro, you can't escape this construction. Like, oh, come on. Oh, you's a hoe. Lame ass dude. I'm supposed to take that. Whatever. We gonna just take the streetway. Oh, look at it. They not playing. Oh yeah. They not playing. They better come get y'all if y'all not paying attention or if y'all speaking. Except me, I'm gonna take off. Man, this whole time shit, bro, has messed me up. It's like 5 o'clock and it's all dark and stuff. I'm like, bro, I don't know why this shit's still a thing. I need to get rid of that shit. That shit's so lame. What the fuck is the purpose? I don't see no benefit. But yeah, I haven't been as like consistent as I wanted to be on here. Obviously I want to be like more consistent and like be able to do this as like a full-time thing. So I'm gonna definitely start taking this a little bit more serious and dropping more vids for y'all regularly. Because I like doing it, and I'm pretty sure y'all like watching the vids and stuff like that. It's like, you know, motivation for y'all guys. I know it'd be like younger people that be watching this shit, and like I was just in y'all shoes a couple years ago. I'm only 22, so I was just in y'all shoes watching these car vids and stuff like that. I'm like, damn, I want something like this. So like, yeah, I definitely like just was watching them vids, using that as motivation, so like I could like get to where all these other people were at. And like even like, you know, looking back at it like 3-4 years ago, to tell myself I would be driving to something like this, it's like, damn, y'all don't even be wanting to believe it. Cause like, you driving something like this, not like for sure, you definitely could do it. You know, don't ever tell yourself that you can't do it or anything like that, because you can do anything that you put your mind to, for sure. No matter how old you is, you know, keep your head down. You know, get your mind out the gutter, out that fuck shit, all that shit that really don't matter. You know what I'm saying? Get your head up out of there. Surround yourself around good people that think just like you, that want to be great just like you, and eat. You know, that's like the best advice I could give to younger people and shit like that. You could definitely do it. It's not gonna happen overnight. So for sure. Oh. Oh, come on, bro. Oh. drive slow as shit, bro. I got places I'm trying to be, like stepping on that damn brake light. God damn, fool, like, y'all motherfuckers, bro, fucking shit. What is y'all doing? Bro, people be pissing me off, boy. Like, they drive slow as hell. Like, how they be driving this slow and they be smashing on their brake lights. Like, get your ass out the way. Real nigga coming through. God damn. This what I'm talking about, man. This damn construction. What the fuck is all this? The whole damn city's under construction for no reason. Like, this shit is weird. Yes, please. Give me the alley. Give me something. Motherfucker. I thought I was a scat by Takeoff on the boys. You can tell it's a scat. It just sounds like it's a scat. Big boy coming through. He said, get the fuck out the way. Motherfuckers be loud coming through on bullshit. I know y'all hear that. I know y'all like that. Hell yeah. But hey man, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope y'all like that shit. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all do like it, make sure to like and comment down below. Sub to the channel and let me know if y'all want to see more vids just like this. And I'm gonna drop it for y'all. Hey, but until next time, Staxks out.